half as bad as I remember. Oh, Tolerant, don't you feel so good? Oh, the video must go on. Don't drink the apple cider vinegar, kids. That cleanse is a farce. Oh, what is this? Episode 5. 4? How many? That's the
5.
Do I have 8 containers?
No, you have 7. 4 have been open.
Tolerant can't count. Alright, we have done, this is episode 5. Watered down phase 1, episode 5. Last episode, we saw that a Reese's Buttercup submerged in water for a full week. We saw that a generic peanut butter cup, not that one name brand, submerged for 1 week. It does nothing. Increases water retention a little bit, and it just got oversaturated, and the chocolate was a little bit mushy. The peanut butter was the same. It was kind of stuck on the inside. But alas, I indulge in my more scientific side. My editor hates me. Alright. Which one to choose? Alright. Write your submission on a little note card. What is it called? Index card. On an index card. And put it beneath your pillow, and Papa Tolerant will come in the middle of the night, not creepily, and take the index card.
It's a trap!
And open the blue one. Who knows what's in this? Cameraman, what you think? What do we have left? We have our mystery contender.
Sour candy.
We have sour candy and dark corn syrup.
I think the black one's the corn syrup and the red one is the sour candy.
Well, I know that one of them was supposed to be orange slices, but then we couldn't find.
Then it was tuna.
Then it was turned to tuna, and we already found that one.
I think
Alright.
that one's the mystery, whatever that one was.
I think this one is sour candies, but we'll see. It is our mystery contender, the marshmallow. Oh, I cannot pick it up. It doesn't have a smell. It also can't be picked up very easily. You getting that on camera?
Well, kind of.
Let's bring it over to the drain for more extensive look at. Extensive analysis.
That's a bit bright.
There you go. It looks like the material they put into mattresses.
Packing peanut?
Don't put packing peanuts in mattresses.
Oh, in a mattress.
Inside the mattress. It looks like that. It looks like that memory foam. Very odd. Alright. What I think happened there is once again a case of extreme water saturation where it retained far more water than it's ever supposed to, which resulted in that spongy, disgusting mess, similarly to the chocolates that we had last time. It's pretty interesting to see. It's pretty interesting to see things that normally take on a lot of water being absolutely spongy. Alright. Okay, make sure you like and subscribe. I see that my millions and millions and millions of viewers aren't liking, subscribing, or viewing my video. I think that's insane. I know there are billions, at least 2 billion of you out there watching these videos. But somehow YouTube isn't getting that you're viewing my videos, so make sure you subscribe.
Isn't there like 8 billion
And
or something?
there's like 6, last I checked was like 6.5, but it's probably like closer to 8 to 10. But I know that there are so many of you out there, and YouTube is reporting its analytics to me and saying that there are like 10 of you. And that's just wrong. I know it's wrong. So make sure you ring the bell or something, right? You hit the bell, and then you get notified of my videos every day at 5 p.m. But enough with that. This has been Tolerant, and make sure you stay safe, everybody.